In today's world, having a good television is, well, pretty essential for our entertainment. We all want a TV that offers a clear picture, smart features, and a price that won't break the bank. The Insignia 50-inch F30 Series TV aims to do just that. It promises a lot of features for a very affordable price. Let's see if it lives up to its promises. This TV is very popular among budget-conscious buyers. It's a good option for families or people who want a simple smart TV. It's also great for those who are new to 4K resolution and want to experience the difference. The exact model number of this TV is NS-50 F301NA24. It's important to note the model number when comparing prices and features. This Insignia TV can be yours for just $209.99, making it one of the most affordable 50-inch TVs on the market. Now let's talk about the key features. This TV boasts a 4K ultra-high definition resolution. This means the picture is incredibly sharp and detailed. It also has an LED panel that delivers bright colors and deep blacks. But one of the most appealing features is the built-in Fire TV experience. This makes streaming your favorite shows and movies incredibly easy. The Fire TV interface is known for its simplicity and user-friendliness. With the Insignia 50-inch F30 series, you get access to thousands of streaming apps like Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, Disney+, and Hulu. You can easily navigate through the menu using the included remote. The remote also features dedicated buttons for popular streaming services, making it even more convenient. This TV also comes with Alexa voice control. You can use your voice to search for content, control playback, and even adjust the volume. The Insignia 50-inch F30 series truly shines when it comes to picture quality. The 4K UHD resolution delivers 4 times the resolution of standard HD TVs. This means you get to enjoy your movies and shows with incredible clarity and detail. The LED panel enhances the picture quality further by providing vibrant colors and deep black levels. While it may not have the advanced HDR capabilities of high-end TVs, the picture quality is honestly pretty impressive for the price point. The sound quality on the Insignia 50-inch F30 series is decent, but not exceptional. The TV has 2 built-in speakers that deliver adequate sound for everyday viewing. However, if you're a true audiophile or want a more immersive cinematic experience, you might want to consider investing in a soundbar or a dedicated home theater system. The Insignia 50-inch F30 series offers a variety of connectivity options. It has 3 HDMI ports, which is enough for connecting a gaming console, a cable box, and a streaming device. It also has a USB port for playing media from external storage devices. You also get an Ethernet port for a wired internet connection, ensuring a stable streaming experience. There's a lot to like about the Insignia 50-inch F30 series. Firstly, the value for money is exceptional. You get a 4K UHD Smart TV with Fire TV functionality for a very affordable price. The smart features are seamless and easy to use, thanks to the Fire TV interface. The picture quality is also impressive for the price, delivering sharp details and vibrant colors. The inclusion of Alexa voice control adds another layer of convenience. While the Insignia 50-inch F30 series excels in many areas, there are a few areas where it could improve. The sound quality is decent, but not outstanding. If you're looking for an immersive audio experience, you might need external speakers. Gamers might find the TV's response time to be a bit slow for fast-paced games. The TV also lacks advanced features like Dolby Vision HDR and a high refresh rate, which are often found in more expensive models. The Insignia 50-inch F30 series is a fantastic option for budget-conscious buyers who prioritize smart features and picture quality. It's an excellent choice for families, students, or anyone looking for a simple and affordable 4K smart TV. With a customer rating of 4.7 out of 5 stars from over 5,000 reviews, it's clear that this TV delivers on its promises. However, if you're a serious gamer or an audiophile, you might want to consider models with more advanced features.